In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mileage rates in MileIQ, standard versus custom. If you use MileIQ to track your drives, setting the right mileage rate is essential for accurate reimbursements and cleaner reports. Whether you follow a standard rate or need a custom figure to match your company policy or local rules, I'll walk you through the exact steps and share practical tips along the way. First, sign into the MileIQ web dashboard using your existing app credentials. The web dashboard is the easiest place to adjust account level settings, including rates. Open your preferred browser, go to the MileIQ site, and log in with your account information. If you use additional security prompts, complete those as usual. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load so your account data is fully synced before you continue. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where MileIQ keeps your account options in one place so you don't have to dig around. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Mileage Rates, or in some versions you may see Rates in Units. Both lead to the same place. While you're there, it's a good idea to confirm you're using the correct units, miles or kilometers, so your rate lines up with how your drives are recorded. Now find the text box next to the vehicle or drive type you want to update, such as business. This is where you can enter a custom rate to replace the default standard rate. Type your specific amount, something like 0.65 or 0.75. The value must be greater than 0. Use a decimal point and don't worry if the currency symbol appears automatically. MileIQ will format it correctly once saved. Choose a rate that matches your reimbursement policy or reporting needs. For example, if your employer reimburses at a set amount per mile, enter that exact figure. If you prefer to follow a standard benchmark, you can enter that value here as well. Double-check the number before moving on to avoid typos that could impact your totals. When you're ready, click Save or Update Rate to apply the new value to your account. Wait for the confirmation message or visual checkmark indicating the change has been recorded. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and verify the rate still shows your updated amount. From here, your new rate will be used for mileage calculations tied to that drive type. If you ever need to adjust it again or switch between standard and custom, just return to the same screen and update the value.